2026 Mercedes Motorhome. Imagine the pinnacle of luxury travel on four wheels. A rolling palace that blends Mercedes' refined engineering, cutting-edge technology, and handcrafted comfort into one complete mobile living solution. If you think motorhomes are just big boxy campers, stay tuned. This is the next evolution of travel vehicles, and it's poised to redefine how we explore the world. Welcome back to AutoMotor Reviews, where we break down exciting vehicles from around the globe with real insight and honest detail. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, a model that represents not just a new product but a fresh vision for how mobility and comfort can coexist. Let's start with the exterior, because first impressions matter, especially with a vehicle as monumental as this. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome departs from the traditional square box RV look and embraces a more refined, aerodynamic profile that feels both futuristic and practical. The front fascia carries Mercedes' contemporary design language with a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that manages airflow efficiently. This isn't just aesthetics for show. The improved aerodynamics help in reducing drag, improving fuel efficiency or electric range, and reducing wind noise at highway speeds, a game changer for long-distance comfort. From the side, the proportions are long and commanding, yet the lines remain smooth and elegant, a true reflection of Mercedes' design philosophy. The roofline has a gentle slope toward the rear, giving the motorhome a sleek silhouette that belies its spacious interior. Large panoramic windows dominate the body sides, providing expansive views and tons of natural light for passengers inside. Some variants may incorporate electrochromic glass that can tint on demand, offering privacy and heat control with the push of a button. Beneath these windows, you'll find neatly integrated storage compartments that blend seamlessly into the body panels. These hold everything from outdoor gear and leveling equipment to utility connections and outdoor kitchen modules. Retractable awnings stretch automatically from the sides, creating shaded outdoor living space at campsites. The motorhome rides on robust, multi-spoke wheels, usually 20 to 22 inches, wrapped in premium touring tires that balance ride comfort with stability. At the rear, the design remains cohesive, with slim LED taillights and a wide, clean hatch that opens to cargo space, perfect for bicycles, outdoor gear, or luggage for extended journeys. The rear bumper integrates sensors and a tow hitch discreetly, retaining the polished look while offering real-world practicality. Starting at the front, the dashboard continues Mercedes' theme of modern luxury. A large curved digital display spans the driver's instrument cluster and central infotainment screen, creating an elegant, unified interface. Navigation, vehicle systems, climate control, and entertainment are all accessible through intuitive menus and voice commands, often through Mercedes' latest MBUX interface. Physical buttons are minimal, focusing instead on responsive touch and haptic controls that give the cabin a clean, futuristic feel. Driver and passenger seats are plush, ergonomically designed, and equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. These seats can swivel to face the living space once parked, increasing usable interior space and enhancing social interaction. Comfortable armrests, premium leather upholstery, and refined trim materials ensure that even long drives feel relaxing. The lounge area sits just behind the cockpit. Open, airy, and bathed in natural light, it features modular seating, typically a combination of sofas and recliners that can be reconfigured for lounging, dining, or even extra sleeping space. Mercedes uses high-quality fabrics and leathers, soft ambient lighting, and subtle accent trim to create a space that rivals high-end hotel living rooms. A large panoramic skylight or solar roof adds to the sense of openness. Connected to the lounge is the kitchen, which is both practical and sophisticated. Mercedes equips this space with premium fixtures, including a countertop induction cooktop, a deep sink with a folding faucet, and a large energy-efficient refrigerator-freezer combination. Cabinetry is thoughtfully designed with soft close drawers and plenty of storage for kitchenware and food supplies. Some versions offer an integrated convection microwave or an espresso machine for the ultimate travel convenience. Fold-away counters or slide-out prep surfaces expand usable space, while under-cabinet lighting and easy clean materials make this kitchen both functional and stylish. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome specs and performance depend on the powertrain chosen. In markets with electric infrastructure, expect fully electric variants with large battery packs and efficient electric motors powering the chassis. These tend to offer silent, smooth acceleration and instant torque, ideal for cruising. Hybrid versions balance internal combustion engines with electric drive to extend range and efficiency, while traditional gasoline or diesel setups are also available for regions without advanced EV support. Regardless of powertrain, Mercedes integrates advanced suspension systems, often adaptive air suspension, for smooth ride absorption, even when the motorhome is fully loaded. When it comes to features, Mercedes pulls no punches. Expect advanced driver assist systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and surround view cameras for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. Infotainment is state-of-the-art with high-resolution screens, app integration, multiple connectivity ports, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and options like rear entertainment systems for passengers. Interior features extend to living comforts as well: multi-zone climate control, premium sound systems from renowned audio partners, customizable ambient lighting, and even smart home integration so you can control lighting, temperature, and systems via voice commands or mobile apps. In terms of market availability, Mercedes is launching the 2026 motorhome in phases, starting with markets that have strong motorhome cultures and advanced infrastructure: North America, Western Europe, Australia, and select Asian markets. Distribution is likely to be through select authorized dealerships with specialized service capability to handle the unique needs of a motorhome. Because Mercedes positions this as a premium product, units may be limited initially, with higher spec models prioritized for key launch markets. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome reflects its comprehensive luxury and technology suite. Base models with standard features and simpler powertrains are expected to land in the upper 5-figure to low 6-figure range, depending on configuration and region. Fully equipped versions with premium interiors, EV or hybrid powertrains, extended living packages, and advanced comfort features could push prices into the mid-6-figure territory, rivaling high-end recreational vehicles and even luxury apartments on wheels. To wrap things up, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome blends Mercedes' legendary luxury and cutting-edge tech with thoughtful interior design and real utility for modern travelers. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, weekend getaways, or extended road life, this motorhome brings comfort, sophistication, and performance together in a way that few other vehicles can match. Thanks for watching AutoMotor Reviews. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us where you'd take this incredible travel machine on your first trip. See you in the next video.